Welcome back. And this is where I tell you congratulations. You've learned how to structure text, images, links, and tables. Now, let's learn something really powerful. It's called HTML forms. Do you want someone to contact you? Do you want someone to fill a survey or place an order? All that will be done using a form. Let's break it down. What is a form? A form is a section on your page where users can enter data, like their name, email, or message, and then submit it. In HTML, we use the form element to start the form. Everything between form, the opening and closing form, is part of your form, including inputs, text areas, buttons, and more. Let's come back to my website folder and create another page. And this one, we are going to call it contact.html. Then hit on enter, exclamation mark, and tab. Then we have our boilerplate. Inside our body, we are going to have a H1. And this H1, we are going to write contact me and then control save. You can see we are not able to go to the contact me page. So what do? Go back to index.html. We already have contact in our navbar. So we'll come here and in our href, we'll remove this hash sign and we'll say contact.html. Then click on save. Once we come to contact and click on it, then it will direct us to contact me page. We head back to contact.html so that we can continue writing our form. Let me put an example of a form here with a few details and click save. Make it a practice of coding. Don't copy paste so that you're able to understand what the code does, especially if you're a beginner. Here is what's happening. We have the label tag. This one, it describes what the user should enter. Then we have a phoneme. This one matches the input's ID name, which improves accessibility. Then we have the input type text. This one is a one-line text box. And we also have the input type email. Each input should have a name. That's the key, like this. The name here is name here is email. The next thing we need to add is a text area. This text area will have a label for message, and then the text area itself is where we want the user to write multiple lines, like a message or feedback. After this, the next thing we need to add is a button like that. So we say a button of type submit, and we set it as a send button. This is what the user clicks to send the form. Right now, our form won't actually go anywhere. We'll connect it later with JavaScript, but the structure is in place. Now, for a contact me form, we're going to have this, and right now, for us to, I'll add break here and save. All right, so this simple contact form, it includes a place for your name. Here, you can write your name, a place for your email, and a place for your message. Okay, and also a submit button. You can place this on your contact.html page. Something to remember is that input and break, they are self-closing. They don't need closing tags like /input. So try it yourself. Try this on your own. Open contact.html, add the contact form we just built, customize it with your own labels, e.g. phone. You can add phone number, you can add subject, and then save and open in your browser, type something and press send. Don't worry, it won't send anything anywhere. So that's for later. In this lesson, you learned how to create a form using form tag, how to collect user input with input tags, text area, and a button, the importance of labels, name, and ID attributes, and how to build a contact form for your website. For this and more, I'll see you in our next lesson.